Fancy food problems. Lucy takes Lynn to a fancy new restaurant downtown.
Lynn, tonight I'm treating you to real food. No more free samples for dinner.
Grandma, I love free samples, but I also love free dinner. Let's go.
Good evening. Tonight's special is a golden beet reduction with micro herbs. It's very popular.
We'll have 2 of those, and the chef's tasting.
How big are the plates?
Oh, our portions are small but beautiful. Every plate is a work of art.
I don't want to eat art. I want to eat food.
Lynn, I've eaten at the best restaurants in 12 countries. Trust me.
The food arrives. Each plate has a tiny, elegant bite in the center of a large white plate.
Grandma, look at this. It's so little.
It's refined, Lynn.
I'm still hungry.
Eat slower. Enjoy it.
I ate it in one bite. There's nothing to slow down.
Lynn finishes every course and stares at her empty plates.
Okay, don't be mad.
What did you do?
Lynn pulls a large sandwich wrapped in foil from inside her jacket.
You brought a sandwich to a restaurant? Lynn!
I always plan ahead when the plates look too pretty.
That is so disrespectful to the chef.
You want half?
Yes. I'm starving.